Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the dehydration of sucrose with sulfuric acid. I like to call this the black snake. Check this out. So all I'm using in this investigation is granulated sucrose, 18 molar sulfuric acid. I'm using a graduated cylinder, a small glass funnel, my spoon, and a shish kebab stick to kind of work the sulfuric acid into the sucrose. Using my funnel, I'm going to fill my graduated cylinder a little over halfway with sugar. Next, I'm going to dehydrate the sucrose by pouring in 18 molar sulfuric acid, and I'm going to do this until most of the sugar is saturated. Next, I'm going to use my shish kebab stick to kind of knead the sulfuric acid into the sucrose. This helps speed up the reaction. You can see that the sucrose is starting to turn black as it dehydrates. This is a very exothermic reaction. It's going to start feeling very warm to the touch. Look at that reaction. Wow! It just keeps going. Absolutely amazing. So what's going on in this amazing exothermic reaction is you start out with your table sugar, your sucrose, that's the C12H22O11, and you add concentrated 18 molar sulfuric acid, that's the H2SO4, and of course oxygen, O2. And as they come together, the acid starts to dehydrate the sucrose, and you get the products 11C, that's the column of carbon that you see rising out of the graduated cylinder. In this case, it's really graphite. CO2, carbon dioxide gas. H2O, that's water, but in this case, it's steam as it rises with the column of carbon out of the graduated cylinder. And SO2, that's sulfur dioxide that's released in this amazing reaction. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.